Namaste and a wonderful evening to all my listeners. This is Neha, your host, and I welcome you back to another episode of Rendezvous with Twin Flames. Hope you all are doing well and progressing in your life. I would like to say a sincere thanks for sparing your valuable time and listening to my episodes. With the belief that folks on their twin flame journey are getting help from my episodes, let's get started and take up today's request. Our requester says, what if your twin flame is in a karmic relationship and you are in separation with them? How can you work on yourself? How to be distracted from them? This scenario is very much common among twin flames and most of us struggle here. For those who are not aware what karmic relations are, let me brief you on this. Anybody who comes into your life, regardless of the fact how long they are associated with you, is known to be a karmic. So it could be your friend or your love partner, or any other acquaintance could be your karmic relationship. We need to understand that karmic relations would always be there in your and your twin flame's life, because they too have their specific purpose to serve, and ideally their karmic relationships should not bother you in any way. You should always remember that you are on your spiritual journey with your twin flame, and this bond is irreplaceable with any karmic or soulmate. It may take you years to comprehend the real purpose of the strong magnetic pull that you had felt towards your twin flame every single moment. I believe you can overcome all your fears and insecurities by considering it to be a phase of your journey and with the belief that it shall also pass. Take it into consideration that your twin flame's thoughts would haunt you and will try to distract you always. You must find ways for yourself that could best work out for you, which makes you and your mind stable. During separation also, you do not have to distract yourself from your twin flame. You must focus on yourself enough that your twin flame's thoughts should not take over your mental peace. Do not ever resist yourself from anything, because the more you resist yourself, the more you feel tempted to attract that resistance, be it anything. So, for an instance, if you feel like calling them or texting them, do it right away instead of thinking repeatedly, because the more you think about it, the more complex it will become in your mind. Instead, you can just call them and make yourself at peace and focus on other problems of your life. Face all your fears and trust me, this is the only possible way to overcome it. Try doing everything that makes you scared and you will not feel scared anymore about anything. You may follow whatever fits in your journey to make it a smoother ride for yourself. Have trust in you and your love towards your twin flame. Divine power that had made you land on this journey will take you through with all the bumpy rides, but never ever lose faith in it, even if things are not in your favor. With this, I would like to end today's episode.